horse wagons. We are going to the main Bazaar road to look at the city here. So, many people here. Horse wagon. So big tree. Bodhi tree. This is a chicken shop. Chicken and egg shop. A lot of chickens. Rajgir Main entrance. It's very Japanese.
Very Japanese.
Isn't it? Japanese, yeah. Beautiful. Horse wagons. We are going to the main Bazaar road to look at the city here. So, many people here. This is the bus station. And here you can get some snack. But we are going that way to find out what's going on in this town. We were almost run down by this fruit seller here. And many things happen here in main Bazaar road. This is a bull. And we are not so pleased with bulls. I hope it will not do anything. There is another bull. Oh, it does. I was lucky. Nothing happened. This looks like something Buddha related. We will see that tomorrow. Now we are going to see main Bazaar road. Street food everywhere. Ice cream shop. Butterscotch. Strawberry. Chocolate. Macroman. Almost pornographic. Okay. This looks like a Hindu temple. Peace and quietness in the temple world. They were beggars. They don't have enough food. The children here in Bihar. Big tree. Bodhi tree. The Rajgir Bodhi tree. This is a cake parlour and royal cafe and family restaurant perhaps. They have chai over there and they're very beautiful. Golden temple. Or shall I say yellow temple in Rajgir. I think the closest we come to a French cafe is this royal cafe with views to the yellow temple. This is a chicken shop. Chicken and egg shop. A lot of chickens. Det er ulvebutikken.
Vi kan lave puder og hønder.
Horsewagen. So wonderful, peaceful here in Buddha's favorite bamboo forest 2,500 years ago. It must be some other bamboos they have now, I believe. It's big. The Zen garden. We're going into the Zen Buddha statue. Oh, beautiful. Well done. Beautiful garden. This is a bin decoration. But there is no bin, it has disappeared. Shit. Tada. Chant. Sounds. In the background. The holy lake. Holy lake. With fontaine. A little bit fontaine. The Black Buddha. We think it's Tibetan, but we never know. Or it's wrong or right.